Hello everyone. Welcome to St. Peter's School. Children, open your term 2 book, page number 101. Lesson number 1, festivals we celebrate. So children, previous video we have completed page number 99 and 100. Now this class what we do? We will start page number 101. Guru Purab is the 6th to mark the birthday of the Sant Guru Nanak. On this day, Sikhs offer prayer at the Gurudwara. Most Gurudwaras run free kitchens called langars where food is prepared and distributed to all. Guru Purab celebrated by the Sikhs and mark birthday of Guru Nanak. On this day, they offer prayer at Gurudwara, and most Gurudwara what they distribute free kitchens they call langars. Nowruz is the new year of the Parsis. People visit the fire temple, greet each other with the Sal Mubarak. Eid ul Fitr marks the end of Ramjan, the holy month of fasting. People offer prayer in the mosque, and what they eat a special sweet dish is called semai. They greet each other saying Eid Mubarak. Eid ul Fitr marks the end of Ramjan, the holy month of fasting. People offer prayers in the mosque and eat special dish they call semai. They greet each other and what they say Eid Mubarak. Christmas celebrated on 25th December every year. It is the day Jesus Christ was born. People offer special prayers in church. They decorate their houses and Christmas trees with the color, papers, lights and bells. They cut Christmas cake and greet each other and they saying others saying Merry Christmas. Christmas celebrated on 25th December. It is the day Jesus Christ was born and people are going to the church. Jan festival, Peshuna Parva is the one of the most important festival of the Jains. This festival comes in the month of August or September. It is a time of purification. So children, come to the next page 102. Buddhist festival. Vesak is a major Buddhist festival. Traditionally it is celebrated as a Lord Buddha's birthday. National festivals. National festivals are celebrated by everyone in the country. They are Independence Day, Republic Day and Gandhi Jayanti. National festivals like Independence Day, Republic Day and Gandhi Jayanti. Independence Day is celebrated on 15th August every year. On this day, in the year 1947, India became independent from the British rule. Every year on this day, we host the national flag and sing the national anthem. The Prime Minister of country hosts the national flag at the Red Fort in New Delhi. Our national anthem Jana Gana Man was composed by Gurudev Rabindranath Tagore. So children, come to the next page 103. Republic Day is celebrated on 26 January every year. The president hosts the national flag on this day. There is a grand parade on Rajpath in New Delhi. Gandhi Jayanti is on 2nd October. Gandhiji was born on this day. He is called the father of our nation. He is called the father of our nations. We celebrate Gandhi Jayanti to mark his birthday. On this day, prayer meetings held at his Samadhi, Rajghat in New Delhi. So children, in this chapter what you learn? Diwali is a festival of lights. The rain, the sun and the cattle are worshipped during the Pongal. Onam is the harvest festival of Kerala. In the West Bengal, goddess Durga is worshipped during the Navratri. Vijayadashmi is celebrated as the victory of Lord Rama over Ravana. Guru Purab is celebrated to mark the birthday of Sant Guru Nanak. Nowruz is the new year of Parsis. Eid ul Fitr is the end of Ramzan, the holy month of fasting. The birthday of Jesus Christ is celebrated as a Christmas. Prishunna Parva is the most important festival at Jains. Vesak is a major Buddhist festivals. Independence Day, Gandhi Jayanti and Republic Day are national festivals. And understood children, Rangoli, traditional Indian decoration and patterns made with the ground rice on floors during the festivals. So children, all understood? Thank you.